Welcome to your complete guide to learning Internet of Things. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to advance your skills, this video covers the essential resources, courses, and certifications that will take you from novice to expert in the exciting world of IoT Internet of Things, is revolutionizing how devices connect and communicate, and now is the perfect time to start your learning journey. The Internet of Things refers to the network of physical devices embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity that enables them to collect, exchange, and act on data without human intervention. These smart devices are everywhere around us. Smart homes feature connected thermostats, lights, and security systems. Wearables like fitness trackers and smartwatches monitor our health. Industrial IoT transforms manufacturing and logistics with intelligent automation. Connected cars provide real-time diagnostics and navigation. Understanding these applications is the first step in your IoT journey. To succeed in IoT, you need a diverse skill set spanning multiple domains. Programming is fundamental, with Python, C, C++, and JavaScript being the most important languages. Hardware knowledge includes understanding electronics basics, working with microcontrollers, sensors, and actuators. Networking skills are essential, covering Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, MQTT protocol, HTTP REST APIs, and network security. Cloud platforms like Oz IoT, Azure IoT, and Google Cloud IoT provide the infrastructure for IoT solutions. Data analysis capabilities help you process, visualize, and extract insights from IoT data, including machine learning applications. Finally, security is critical, encompassing encryption, authentication, device security, and privacy standards. Mastering these 6 core areas will make you a well-rounded IoT professional. Starting your IoT journey is easier than ever with abundant free and paid resources. For structured online courses, Coursera offers Introduction to IoT Specialization and IoT Fundamentals by Cisco. edX provides Introduction to IoT by Curtin University and IoT Programming and Big Data courses. Udemy features complete IoT Bootcamp and IoT for Beginners courses. Free learning platforms are also valuable. YouTube channels like Element 14 Presence, Andreas Spiess, and DroneBot Workshop offer excellent tutorials. Official documentation from Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and ESP32 provide comprehensive getting started guides. Interactive learning platforms like Tinkercad Circuits and Walkwi Online Simulator let you experiment without physical hardware. These resources provide a solid foundation for beginners. Once you have mastered the basics, it is time to deepen your expertise with intermediate-level training. Advanced courses focus on cloud IoT platforms, including AWS IoT Core Training, Microsoft Azure IoT Developer Certification Path, and Google Cloud IoT Fundamentals. Specialized topics cover IoT Security Fundamentals, edge computing for IoT, and industrial IoT applications. Programming deep dives explore MQTT protocol mastery, REST-TFL API design for IoT, and real-time data processing. Hands-on projects are crucial at this stage. Build a complete home automation system with ESP32 and integrate voice assistants. Create environmental monitoring solutions like weather stations with cloud logging, air quality monitoring systems, and soil moisture trackers. Develop connected devices such as GPS asset trackers, smart doorbells with cameras, and energy consumption monitors. These projects solidify your understanding and build your portfolio. Professional certifications validate your expertise and boost your career prospects. Oz Certified IoT is an intermediate to advanced specialty certification focusing on designing, deploying, and managing IoT solutions on Amazon Web Services. It covers device provisioning, security, data processing, and Oz service integration. Microsoft Azure IoT Developer Certification demonstrates skills in implementing Azure IoT solutions including hub, device provisioning, and stream analytics. Cisco offers certifications at multiple levels. The Cisco Certified DevNet Associate is entry-level, covering IoT fundamentals, networking, and software development. The IoT Specialist Certification is advanced, focusing on networking for industrial IoT deployments. CompTIA IoT Plus is a vendor-neutral certification ideal for entry to intermediate professionals, covering the IoT ecosystem, device lifecycle, security, data management, and troubleshooting. Google Cloud IoT Professional Cloud IoT Engineer certification focuses on designing, building, and securing IoT solutions using Google Cloud Platform with emphasis on data pipelines and machine learning integration. Industrial IoT specialist certifications from organizations like ISA and IEEE focus on manufacturing, automation, and industry standards. Reaching expert level requires engagement with cutting-edge research and advanced education. Academic journals like IEEE Internet of Things Journal, ACM Transactions on IoT, and International Journal of IoT and Cyberassurance publish the latest research findings. Conference papers from IoT World Congress, IEEE IoT Conference, and International Conference on Internet of Things showcase innovations. White papers from Gartner, McKinsey IoT Insights, and IoT Analytics Research provide industry perspectives. Advanced academic programs include master's degrees in IoT engineering, embedded systems, and cyberphysical systems. Professional development opportunities exist at institutions like MIT Professional Education and Stanford Advanced IoT programs. Specialized training covers emerging topics like Edge AI for IoT, blockchain in IoT, 5G IoT architecture, and quantum IoT security. These resources keep you at the forefront of IoT innovation. Choosing the right development platform is crucial for your projects. Arduino is beginner-friendly, offering an open-source electronics platform with easy-to-use hardware and software, perfect for prototyping and learning basics. Raspberry Pi is a low-cost single-board computer capable of running full Linux operating systems, ideal for complex IoT projects and gateways, suitable for beginners to advanced users. ESP32 and ESP8266 are Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled microcontrollers with low power consumption, excellent for wireless IoT devices at the intermediate level. Node-RED is a beginner-friendly flow-based programming tool for wiring together IoT devices, APIs, and services with a visual interface. Particle provides a complete IoT platform with hardware, connectivity, and cloud services, great for professional deployments at the intermediate level. ThingSpeak is a beginner-friendly IoT analytics platform for collecting, visualizing, and analyzing live data streams in the cloud. Each platform has unique strengths, so choose based on your project requirements and skill level. Success in IoT requires a structured learning path. Stage 1 is foundation building, lasting 3 to 6 months. Focus on learning basic electronics, understanding sensors and actuators, practicing Arduino programming, and studying networking fundamentals. Stage 2 is building skills, taking 6 to 12 months. Master Python and C programming, work with Raspberry Pi, learn MQTT protocol, understand cloud platforms, and complete hands-on projects. Stage 3 is specialization, lasting 12 to 18 months. Choose a focus area like industrial IoT or smart homes, pursue professional certifications, build complex systems, and study IoT security in depth. Stage 4 is expert level, which is an ongoing journey. Engage in research, contribute to open-source projects, architect enterprise solutions, mentor others, and stay updated with emerging technologies. This roadmap provides a clear path from beginner to expert, but remember that everyone learns at their own pace. To maximize your success in learning IoT, follow these best practices. Practice daily because consistency is key. Dedicate time each day to coding, building circuits, or reading documentation. Small daily progress compounds over time into significant expertise. Join communities to engage with IoT forums, Reddit communities, Discord servers, and local maker spaces. Collaborate, ask questions, and share your projects with others. Build real projects because theory is important, but hands-on experience is crucial. Start with simple projects and gradually increase complexity as you learn. Document your work by creating a portfolio on GitHub or a personal blog. Documenting projects helps you learn better and showcases your skills to potential employers. Stay updated because IoT evolves rapidly. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and subscribe to newsletters to keep up with new technologies and trends. Focus on security from the beginning. Security should never be an afterthought. Learn secure coding practices, encryption, and authentication early in your journey. Remember, start your IoT journey today and transform the connected world of tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your IoT learning adventure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.